In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to digitize a hollow polygon in QGIS. So I'm going to open up the QGIS application, and right inside here, you can see that I've already loaded the data that we're going to use today. Basically, this is a survey plan of a parcel of land. You can see on the right-hand side is the information of beacons. So you can see the easting and the northings, and then the drawing here we have a big parcel, and then next to it we have several parcels. These are abattoirs, and right inside this big parcel we have some two small parcels. So the big parcel the big parcel is labeled LR number 209/6829. The next one, the small one, is LR 209/6830, and then the other small one is LR number 6831. So we are going to digitize this big parcel, then we exclude the small ones. It's like these two are island inside this big parcel. So the first step is to create an empty shapefile or package, geopackage. So up above here, go to layer, then create layer, and we're going to for new shapefile. For this tutorial, we're going to use a shapefile. So new shapefile layer. So the file name here, we're going to first of all browse to where we want to store the shapefile. So we're going to save the shapefile inside here, but I'll just right click, and then since shapefile comes with several attached files, so it's only right to have those files inside one particular folder. So I'm going to call these shapefiles. And then double click, and then just give our shapefile a name. We have seen that the shapefile that we're going to digitize is LR number 28. I guess this is LR number 28. Let's just give it a arbitrary number, 28. Like 239, like so, and then click save. We can always rectify that. So the file encoding, leave that as default. Geometry type, now we are going to select a polygon, since you're now dealing with the polygon. And in this so the next one, we are going to specify the coordinate system. And looking at this parcel, this is a local Kasini in Kenya, so it's not a global coordinate system. So I'm going to select unknown datum, that one. That's for this tutorial only. And then the name, the new field, you can just give it one field, then name. I think that's all. Now we can click OK. So just click OK. Now on the table of content, you can see have our layer, and now we're going to start digitizing this parcel. But before that, we can see that we can change a few things. Just right click on the shapefile that we just created, go to properties, and I'm going to change the style to outline blue, so that I'll be seeing what I'm digitizing. And then I'll click apply, and then OK. Now we can proceed to digitizing this. Up above here, click toggle to editing session, and then right next to this pencil, there is this add polygons. Select on it and then zoom sufficiently to the raster data, and then now proceed to digitization of that polygon. Like that. So when you click your last point, just right click and then the ID, I'm going to give the ID number as 1, and then finish the digitizing session. Now save that. We have that big parcel. Now how polygons operate is that polygon is a layer of rings. So this is the outer ring. So we're going to add these small parcels as small rings. Now up above here we are going to add a toolbar. We are going to add Advanced Digitizing Tool. Just right click anywhere in this space here and then click on Advanced Digitizing Tool. Now you'll see these tools that have been added here, the Advanced Digitizing Tool, and we are going to add a ring. If I place this, you can see add part, add ring. We are dealing with add ring. Now you can also continue digitizing the small ones. Like so, then right click to finish, go to the next one, right, like so, digitize like so, and then right click to finish. Now we can save that and come out of the digitizing session. So if I change this, just right click and go to properties, and then we decide to go with this particular feature. Now you can see the two island parcel have been isolated, and now we have a hollow polygon. So that's all for this tutorial. That's how you can simply create a hollow polygon in QGIS. See you in the next tutorial.